In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in PenFed Credit Union mobile banking. First of all, what you have to do is launch open PenFed Credit Union application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here PenFed Credit Union application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for login. Tap on it. Now after you do that, wait for a while and you'll be redirected to the browser. You can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. Now you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password, or you can also log in with passkey if you want. If you have previously registered passkey on this device, simply tap on this option login with passkey and you'll be able to log into your account. Here I'm just going to use my username and password. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option login that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in PenFed Credit Union mobile banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.